In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the washer nozzles on this Ford F-350. They're located on your hood. We'll access them from underneath, so let's get started. Under the hood, you'll see your two washer nozzles with the hose attached to them. I'm going to first disconnect the hose. This may leak some washer fluid, by the way. And now, unless yours is already broken, you'll have to pinch these tabs here and push it through the top side of the hood. Okay, push it through. It's going to fall off on the other side. And from the other side, you're going to need to push the new one down and in. Once that has clicked in, get the hose, reattach it. I know the fitting is at a different angle. That's okay. And there you have it, washer nozzles installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.